Perfect. Here's our Maynila stat line, ladies and gentlemen. Very close first set. Pulled out of the fire by Ateneo.
That's right. Ateneo de Manila, ang daming arsenal for that first set.
Right.
Talaga got ready, very aggressive. Although had a little bit of setback in the middle portion, pero was able to compose and get back to their game, able to take it. Ang Air Force naman, only had 12 attack points, surprisingly, with Manzano and Cases, but 4 block points for them. But it did not matter in this set because Ateneo was able to take it.
And the Manila stat line brought to us by Manila, the official drinking water provider of the Shakey's V-League. At binabati po namin ang lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin ngayon sa GMA Live TV across the planet.
Ayan naman.
Napanood po itong exciting action ng Shakey's V-League. And we're starting off set number 2 with a very long rally. Valdez versus Maizo. That's an interesting matchup there. Valdez over Maizo. Dagger by Manzano. Rally is still alive. And Aiza Maizo says, I will end the rally.
Well, Maizo now with 5 points to her name. And that's also the case with Manzano and Cases. On the other side, Kainglet with 6, Valdez with 5, Herbacio with 4. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. Dapat talaga itulungan tong tatlong to.
Well, yung Ateneo was able to win that first set, 4 straight points kasi wala si Aiza Maizo sa rotation. Maganda ng timing din nila. Maganda rin ang timing itong 18-year-old phenom, Aliza Valdez, who just nails it. This is a la Lauren Ford.
Look at that running hit.
Ang ganda,
Lauren Ford the line. Oo nga.
Although kay Lauren Ford, sa front row. Papasok.
Aba kung baka 6'2 at Manzano this time on that powerful hit in the middle.
Hindi na nasagot ni Denden Lazaro yun. 2-1 Air Force. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
May kinakain mo ngayon?
Yun, kanina pepperoni pizza. Pero minamoy akong peanuts eh.
Ang bilis nila.
Halo dapat natin yung peanuts.
Nalingat lang ako. Naubos ha?
Si Barry napapangiwi pag sinasabi ko, halo natin yung peanuts sa pizza. Bakit? Tignan natin tong huling play na to. Minane nitong depensa.
Oo. By
Aiza Maizo.
Aiza Maizo on Herbacio.
Pwede yun na, mani, lagay mo sa pizza.
Parang di ko rin masyadong
Oy, may ibang lugar yung spaghetti nilalagyan ng mani.
Ay, yun naman, pasta.
Aiza Maizo kept alive by Lazaro.
My goodness, Lazaro just playing great. That's going to be a violation, overreaching on the Philippine Air Force.
Didn't have that point dito kay Denden Lazaro. Kept it alive long enough for Ateneo to give up the free ball.
Actually, credit half the set kanina first set to Denden Lazaro.
Lazaro has been playing very consistently. Nga lang, liberos don't really score. And Patnongan has been serving consistently also. Here's Aiza Maizo. I don't even remember the last time I covered a service fault. Bad angle there from Aliza.
It's just trying to save the ball, but they'll go.
4-2. Army this time. Make that Air Force this time. Off to a good start here in set number 2.
Just look at the front line of the Philippine Air Force. Maizo, De Ramos, Cases. Punong-puno.
Sabi ni Gretchen Ho, kaya ko yung tatlong yan. Here's De Ramos down the middle. Dug up, not quite. That was actually a very slow attack there from Lisa De Ramos, but still no response from Ateneo.
Yun guys, yung lagi natin sinasabi, ito si De Ramos may pagka-kontra-tsempo. Diba? Kaya mahirap rin hulihin.
Bakit? Si Phil Kainglet ganun din. Phil Kainglet, of course, hindi mo alam kailan siya papalo na malakas, kailan papalo na mahina.
Yun yung variations actually ni Phil.
There's the back set now for Aiza Maizo, and Ferrer cannot save it. Maizo has just kicked it up a notch here in set number 2. That's
right, and has been going for that angled hit. So take a look at this last one. Mahirap lefty, tas may angle. Very sharp.
4 na po ang kalamangan dito ng Philippine Air Force. Manzano, nice serve. Lazaro, nice reception. Down the middle they go. Nice dig by Resho, and Herbacio is denied, but it will go out.
Ramos actually read that, but still Herbacio takes that point.
At 6-3 right now, Philippine Air Force. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. 18-year-old Aliza Valdez. Resho, Semana, Maizo. What a play from Aiza Maizo.
And from the approach hanggang dun sa pagtalon, kala mo papaluin ng malakas. And then suddenly, just a push.
Kamot ng ulo
Ayan, no?
si Dendel Lazaro doon.
May hindi na nga kasi siya lumapad for the support eh. She was thinking it was going to be a powerful hit again.
Another 4-point lead here for the Philippine Air Force. Lazaro, good reception. Quick set. Gretchen Ho. Dug up by Resho. Kept alive by De Ramos. Here's Hervasio again with that slam dunk. Cases. Dug up again by Lazaro. Kainglet feeding De Ramos the ball. Gretchen Ho getting it across. And Maizo gives up the short free ball. Hervasio is there. Ferrer. They go to Kainglet once again. Maizo, another long rally here. Cases, yes!
And that was the mistake. Wendy Semana just able to send that to Cases.
And a mighty 5-point lead now here.
That ended this rally.
The newest acquisition makes some noise for the Philippine Air Force. 8-3 right now. Philippine Air Force up by 5. Let's send it over to Mia Kalim.
A little player acquisitions update here. Kung naalala nyo, last week itong Ateneo was trying to avail the services of Piatida and Wirawan of Perpetual. Kasi sabi ni Coach Paritupas of Ateneo, hindi daw nila magampanan ang middleman na role na kulang sa kanila. Kaya sabi nila, they just went away and just go about their business kasi hindi daw talaga nila makukuha itong dalawang Highlanders. Na para naman dito sa Air Force, sabi ni Coach Ariel de la Cruz, pinalitan nga nito ni Joyce Cases itong si Iris Patrono who boarded the 4 p.m. flight to go to Iloilo today because of previous commitments. Sabi ni Coach Ariel, itong si Joy Cases perfect sa kanilang sistema dahil teammate pala nitong ni Coach BJ Sacramento si Coach Ariel dati. Kaya naman parehas daw sila ng sistema. Sabi niya kaya naman daw ito yung solusyon nila dun sa butas nila sa open at na yun daw may katulong na itong si Aiza Maizo, guys.
Thank you very much, Mia Kalim.
And that's really the case now, at least in this first 2 sets. Talaga namang hindi mo makakitaan na nag-gel ka, diba? Wala na talagang fit na fit. Itong si Cases.
Will be called on that attack by Cases. Cases has taken over. Silang dalawa ni Aiza Maizo.
That's right.
Maizo and Cases have worked together brilliantly, and this is the biggest lead of the game now for the Philippine Air Force, 7 points. The Mikasa MVA 300 is the new official game ball of the Shakey's V-League Season 8. More intense rallies and more thrills with the Mikasa MVA 300. Another error against Ateneo.
Jem Ferrer with that error. Alma partner talking about digs and receptions. Itong si Resho, 6 digs na. Itong si Lazaro having 11, almost doubling
Right.
The output of Resho. Pero sa reception, Resho with 5 and Lazaro with 4.
And that will be a point here. Cases on the block hits the antenna. When the ball hits the antenna, it is deemed outside.
Yup, and Philippine Air Force now, 6 attack points in this set. Ateneo having only 2.
Right.
Hindi makapag-set up ng play itong Ateneo because...
Reception nila.
Oo, yung
Medyo
first ball
suspect.
nila. Although nakukuha, pero perfect.
Lisa De Ramos scoring, finding that hole in the zone 1. Another big lead here. Now 8 for the Air Force. Naplatan ng Ateneo dito sa second set. Ferrer on the attack. Still red there. And Semana gives it up. Ferrer once again going to Kainglet. De Ramos trying to keep it alive. Manzano trying to keep it alive. And then the next person to touch it will be one of their bench players.
Sa layo.
So Ateneo, this is a step in the right direction for them. They have to know that it's still early in the set, but they cannot just trade the points now with the Philippine Air Force. Gretchen Ho. Resho. Semana. Cases. Off the block. Valdez. Ferrer. Quick set. Patnongon. Kept alive momentarily. Manzano. Free ball coming up from Aiza Maizo. Hervasio. Ferrer. Kainglet. That will go wide.
Kainglet. Too much risk on that last play by Phil.
Hindi na umaandar yung mga down the line ni Phil Kainglet so far in this game. Timeout Ateneo. They're down by 8.
Kita mo, ang bilis na ngayon, di ba? Binilisan nila yung pace ng ball game. And it favors them.
Cases. They're going away from Lazaro right now. Kainglet turn back. Lazaro. Ferrer. One more time for Phil. Dug up by Semana. Latigay sets up Manzano.
Perfect setup there by Latigay. Manzano liking that set that was close to the net.
Ganda. That's a nice touch for a big girl, ha? For sa set na yun.
Much to her delight. Sabi niya, ganda nun, ha?
Oo. Baka may second career ito si Chris Latiga as a backup setter to Wendy
Oo,
Ansemana. Cases. Here's Phil. Semana to Manzano. Dug up by Valdez. Ferrer. Kainglet one more time. Blocked by Latigay. Hervasio now. They go back to Kainglet once again. Dug up by Resho. Here's Manzano. Dug up by Valdez. Here's Ferrer. And Kainglet ran out of energy.
And a little bit early on her approach, kaya hindi perfect yung pagkakakuha na bola. Had to ad-lib a bit.
15-5.
And Manzano has been going cross-court, giving it to Valdez.
But it's 15-5. Ateneo won the first set. Hervasio overcooks it. Here's Manzano. Great dig by Valdez. Latigay.
It could have gone out, but last minute, Hervasio taking that.
Look at this score right now as we take a look at Chris Latigay execute the quick set to perfection. 11-point lead for the Philippine Air Force. Yan po ang ating score mga kaibigan, 16-5 here in set number 2 in favor of the Philippine Air Force. Our Shakey's face of the day has been found. And there she is. That's a lovely smile right there from Tony Rose Lamata. She is 23 years old from Taguig City. Siya ba yung naka-retainers? Hindi naman, ano? Hindi rin naka-braces.
Kasi kaya na-memorize mo pa, no?
Hindi, kasi alam mo, pag may braces ka, dapat ka pa kakain ng pizza, bigay mo na lang sa amin.
Ayun pala yun.
Oo.
Well, teka, si Mami, may ng the Philippine Air Force,
Yan.
Bakut, says happy birthday to her son, 10 years old Carl Marks Cuenca Bakut, sa September 29 ka-birthday ko. Mabait to. Ka-birthday?
Dami niyo pala September, ano? Bari Pascua, Maan Panganipan.
Mabait ng kasama mo
Ikaw.
eh. Hindi ka ba nakakahalata?
Hindi. Casas on the serve. 12-point lead now for the Philippine Air Force. Kainglet gets 1 point back.
And the Philippine Air Force now 11 attack points. Ateneo having 5. Ang layo.
Ito naintindihan, sulat mo, Bari.
And Wendy Ansemana, 35 excellent sets so far with 56%. Jeff Ferrer, 28 with only 39%.
And another point here for the Philippine Air Force. 18-6. Hindi ko maintindihan sulat ni Barry Pascua. Sino? Mary Jane Pepito, September 10.
Nakait din yan, September.
Oo. Sino pa? Dating Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos, September 11. Mabait din yun. Eto kayo nakatake.
Thanks, Noel.
I'm just saying, mga taga-September, mga Septemberians yan eh.
And that goes out.
Yan.
And now, look at the Philippine Air Force. Siguro niligyan lang ng konti kanina kasi masyado seryoso. Na playing, just enjoying this game.